Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing a unboxing of my Pipsticks subscription for October, and this is the Pro Pack and it's a Kids Pack. And so first we'll do the Pro Pack first. And I love the shiny packaging. I almost got it open. Oops. So there's a cute Pippi magazine that always comes in the subscription packs. And this is like a teaser for, that's like some of the things that ideas that went down for the stickers. Sticker Burst, which came in the October booster box, which I haven't used it yet, but it looks really fun. And there's a teaser for the Pro Pack for November, which I cannot wait to get. Scratch and snip stickers look really cute. So, almost got it open. First, we have these pie stickers. I love pie, so we have like blueberry pie and pumpkin pie, apple pie. Those are adorable stickers with silver foil accents. Little slices of peaches, it looks like. Really cool. And then next we have these candle stickers with little socks and slippers. Actually in Florida right now, it's not really fall weather. It's like in the 80s for a high. Feels like 90 degrees outside, but we did have a little bit of fall weather temporarily a couple weeks ago. So hopefully it'll get cooler again. Put these over there. And then next is these really cute stickers with cats sleeping on chairs, cat naps. Actually, it's called Catnap Purrs. Really cute. Definitely, I'm here for the snacks and a cup of tea. I don't really drink tea, but I like munchy stuff, so that's really cute vinyl sticker. And then next we have these skull stickers. Those are pretty cool. It's called Sweet Tribute. These are beautiful. We have some gold foil accented fall leaves. And again, in Florida, we don't really see too many fall leaves around here. And then we have some beautiful fall-inspired letters called Tolware Alphabet. Those are pretty. And then we have these cute snails and mushrooms. I think those are mushrooms, so they're cute. And then we have some sweaters. It says the sweat set lips. I think you can tell. It says sticker lover. Those are adorable. Hands off my stickers. So cute. We have some skunk stickers. I don't think I have any skunk stickers. Say that 5 times fast. So stinking cute. Love it. And then we have these really neat fall borders called Forest Treasures. Then we have these adorable squirrels. The s'more the merrier. I think those are squirrels. Looks like they're eating s'mores and camping out. Cute. Then we have some cute little teacups. Then some really fun sayings. Life is better in sweatpants. I'll probably cancel. Antisocial butterfly. Proud supporter of messy hair and sweats. Antisocial club. It's proud supporter of messy hair and sweats. Oh, it's the same thing. It's just like a different font. That's cute. And like I'll probably cancel is in a different font. Adorable. And then we have crochet all day. I love crocheting. I haven't done it in a while, but these stickers are really, really neat with the balls of yarn and the patchwork. So cool. And then last but not least, we have the postcard that comes in every pro pack. And actually in my next video, I'm gonna do the kids pack. I'll keep it 2 separate videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.